3, 4, 5, 6.
Count, take your time. Can you count the blue, please?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8.
Together.
3.
4 plus 3.
Yesterday. So it's how we plan to apply it.
I'm not playing copies.
What number comes after 7?
8.
Very good.
I'm done.
What number comes, 2 numbers after 7?
8. 9.
Which number is bigger, 5 or 4?
5.
Which is bigger, 7? Which number is smaller, 6 or 8?
8.
Which number is closer to 5, 6 or 2?
2. Six.
Very good. Take away 6 equals
9.
here. Clear that you put it here.
Miss Robin, where are you?
Alright, you can come make yourself good. Hey, Miss Derek, how are you? James is doing a fabulous job with her right now. Show Miss Barefoot how you're working through your checklist here. Yeah, I know, I haven't.
Like maybe.
Miss Robin, you're muted.
Great. Thank you. Thank you for pointing that out. Okay. All right. I'm going to back up just a little bit then, guys, since I was muted. So what we're looking at is the word equal. Whenever we're working with equations, the word equal will definitely come into play. And we said that equal means to be exactly the same. In the first picture, we have here a blue shirt. The second picture, the same blue shirt. So they are equal, right? Okay, so in math, equal means exactly the same amount. So we're going to be dealing with numbers. Numbers are involved. In our first picture, we have chocolate chip cookies. How many cookies are in the first picture? Two. How many in the second picture? 2. They are exactly the same. 2 in the first, 2 in the second. Okay. So when we see the word equation, which is what we're going to be working on today, writing and solving addition equations, we know that we are looking for things to be. And that is our lovely bell. All right. Okay, guys, you probably have already got your unique learning pulled up. But we will go there for Friday. I'm going to have to adjust this screen, of course. All right.
Show her how you're doing. Show her your checklist. Let me come look.
All right, writing and solving equations. And I'm going to have to adjust it again. All right. So this looks pretty long, but we're going to take it step by step and we're going to do it together. All right.
Write an addition equation when you see these words. How many altogether?
So remember, when we see how many all together, we are going to be doing addition. So I'm going to read over this with you. B and C are known numbers. A is the unknown answer to your problem. So we're going to use this model to write out our equation. Does anyone remember from yesterday, or actually the day before, when we see these letters, what are they called?
Do you need some help?
It begins with a V. Did you say value? Very close. Can you say very good, variable? Usually when we're dealing with equations, we will see letters instead of numbers, and they are our variables, which what they are doing, they're just holding the place until we put our numbers in. So we follow the steps to solve the equation for A. A plus B equals C. Okay, so we're going to go on to our next sheet and do this step by step. Okay, we have Mario and Raj, and they are putting away medicine balls at the gym. All right, so for A, in our first step, we're going to write the equation.
A. Mario puts away A medicine balls.
Is A a number or a letter? A is a letter. Very good. So for A, we just have to put A. They haven't given us a value yet. We don't know what the value is. Plus B. Let's go back up to our problem.
B.
For B.
Raj puts away 5 medicine balls.
How many medicine balls does Raj put away? 5. Okay, so for B, we can plug in the number 5. Very good. So let's read. A plus 5 equals, can we add a number and a letter?
No.
No, very good. Thank you so much. We cannot. So that's going to remain C. We have to find out. We are solving. Oh, sorry. What did I see? Oh, no, no, it's not. Let me read again. There's C.
They put away 19 medicine balls altogether. How many medicine balls does Mario put away?
Ooh, Miss Robin, you need to read carefully. So guys, don't make the same mistake I did. C has been given to us. 19. Okay, so A plus 5 equals 19. All right, that is our equation. That's step 1. We write the equation. Step 2.
Solve the equation for A.
We are going to solve the equation for A. All right. Do we have a number for A? No, we do not. So that remains A. Our plus sign comes down. Do we have a number for B? Yes. What is the number? 5. Very good. So 5, which is B minus B. And that's the thing with equations, guys. In order to make them equal, we are doing some subtraction as well. So for C, we know C is what?
19.
19, very good. C is 19 minus B. B we know is 5. Okay, so if you notice, let's look here at our equal sign. Basically, our equation is broken down into 2 halves. We have this first part here before the equal sign and the second part after the equal sign. And our goal or our objective is to make sure that they are equal. So we'll go to the next step. Again, we do not know a value for A, so very good. That remains A. Plus is the same. Who can tell me what 5 minus 5 is?
0.
I got one answer, 0. If you have 5 cookies and you give all 5 away, how many do you have? 0. Very good. 0. So we shared and we gave away all of our cookies. Now we need to know what 19 minus 5 is. Anyone know if you got any manipulatives at home? 19 minus 5. Take a minute to
14.
work on it. And when you have your answer, you can put it in the chat box. Four at the top. Anyone looks like I got some answers in the chat? Oh, yes, indeed, I do. Very good. All right. Let's see. Let's go with 14. Very good. 19 minus 5 is 14. And there's lots of different ways you can solve for that. You could use a calculator, but you don't necessarily have to. Remember earlier we lined our math problems up horizontally, and you could do it that way. And you could say 9 minus 5 is 4. And then, of course, 1 minus 0, you bring down your 1. So let's see. Let's come on down to the bottom. A is still A. Since we have 0, are we putting anything here?
Mm-mm.
No. Nope. And equals, let's see, 14. A equals 14. What's this very next step that we're going to do? Check your work.
Check your work.
Mhm.
Fill in the numbers for A, B, and C. Solve.
Solve. It's always a good thing to check your work. So in this second step, we have A equals 14. Let's check it just to make sure. We're going to go back to our original equation, A plus B equals C, and we're going to plug in the values. Now we know A is not just A anymore, but A is what? 14. Very good. So let's put 14 here. Very good. Our plus sign remains the same. What is B? What's B? Zero. Very good. Oops. Is that not 0? What is B? Evidently.
5.
Yeah, we'll see. We got 0 on this end. Let's see. All right. Do we agree? All right. Okay, we got some condas in here. We'll see. And so what do we have for C? We said C is what? Look up at C. C is, what's C? 19. Very good. Very good. You know, guys, I think we just get a little confused when we see all these A's and B's and C's just roaming around. Okay. So A plus B, we have to figure it out. 14 plus 5.
19.
19. Very good. Got a quick answer there. 19. Let's see. Click in the box. Very good. 19 equals, we'll just bring this down
19.
in this box. Very good. 19. Now, is this equation true? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, it is. And how do we know it's true? Yeah, very good. We did look at it, but what do we say about equations? They have to be equal. Very good. The same. So we have 19 equals 19. Is that true? All right, so let's finish at the bottom. Since A equals 14, Mario puts away how many medicine balls? 14 medicine balls. So guys, that's a lot of steps with that one. And we made some mistakes along the way, but guess what? That's how we learn. Okay, let's see. Good job. I like your participation this morning. All right, let's go on to the next one. And we're going to try it again and try not to get any of the little red squares. Okay, we got Mario and Raj again putting away medicine balls at the gym. How many does Mario put away for A?
Mario puts away A medicine balls.
Is A a number or a letter? A is a letter.
Letter.
Very good. So we'll fill in with A. All right, we got a green box. We want green boxes all the way down. That's our goal. Plus B. Let's find out what B is.
B. Raj puts away 5 medicine balls.
Okay, so what number do we have for B? 5. Very good. Okay, equals C. Now, last time we made a mistake. That was Miss Robin's fault. Let's look closely. For me, that's funny to
C.
you. Okay.
They put away 19 medicine balls altogether. How many medicine balls does Mario put away?
Okay, so for C, what number do we have? 19. Very good. All right, now our equation is written. Mario put away A medicine balls, which means we don't know. A is a variable, it's a letter. Plus the 5 that Raj put away gave them a total of 19. So we're going to have to solve and find out. Here, they've already plugged it in for us, guys. A, we know that A is A all the way down. Plus B. What did we say B is, guys? What number? Very good. 5 equals C minus 5. What is C? 19. Very good. C is 19. 19 minus 5. So we're going to come down again. We'll bring our A down. That remains the same. A plus. Now we have to do a little subtraction here. 5 minus 5 equals what? 0. Very good. Okay. Now come over here. 19 minus 5 equals, does anyone know? I think I got one answer in the chat box already. I do. You are quick on it. Very good. Very good. 19 minus 5 is 14. Very good. All right, guys, we're doing good. We got green boxes getting the go ahead. So we know then that A equals what number? 14. Very good. Let's plug it in. And I finally learned how to plug it in fast enough that it doesn't give me that red box. Okay, we're going to check our work. So we're going to fill in the number for A to solve. Now that we know we have a number for A. A is equal to what? A is equal to what number?
14.
Thank you. Very good. 14. So where we see A, we can now put 14. Okay, plus B, which we know is 5. So 14 plus 5 equals C, 19. Well, we're going to have to come down here and check that. Is 14 plus 5 19? Is that true? Do you remember? Plus 5 more. Very good. 19. Let's plug it in. Yes, 19 equals, we already know that that's 19. 19 equals 19. So is this equation true? Yes or no? Yes, it is true. Very good. It is
Yes.
true. Okay. So since A equals, what did they say A equals? 14. Very good. Since A equals 14, then Mario put away how many medicine balls? 14. I know that is a lot of steps, guys. So if you all at home need extra practice, we can do it, on our Zooms if you want. Just let me know. I'll be happy to give extra practice. Okay. And here's our last one. We're going to do this one together just to make sure we work out all of the kinks. What is the first thing we do? What's the first thing? Very good.
Mary Beth and Keisha are doing arm circles at the gym.
At the gym. Okay, everything is revolving around the gym today. Mary Beth and Keisha are doing arm circles at the gym. Gotta stay strong. Okay, let's check out A. First step, we're gonna write the equation.
A. Mary Beth does A. Arm circles.
How many arm circles does Mary Beth do? A. She does A. Do we know what A is? We don't know. We just know that A is A, but we are going to find out. Right now, we're just writing the equation, which means we're just plugging in all of the information that they give us up here. Plus B. Let's see what B is.
Keisha does 15 arm circles.
Okay, so B. What do we have for B? What number? 15. Very good. A plus 15 equals. Let's see what we have for C.
C. They do 35 arm circles altogether. How many arm circles does Mary Beth do?
Okay, what number do we have for C? 35. Very good. Uh-oh, sorry, that's Miss Robin. That's the order I hit it. Awesome. That's me, guys. I'm not hitting it quite in the right order. All right, we are going to solve the equation for A. You guys are doing really good. Stick with me. What do we have for A? Do we know what A is? Nope. A. Plus B. Do we know what B is? B is 15. So that's 15. Okay, B minus B. So 15 minus 15 equals C. What did we say C is? Very good. 35 minus B. What is B? 15. Okay. All right. Let's come on down. Bring everything down. Our A. A is still A. We have not gotten a determinant for A yet. Plus 15 minus 15. If I have 15 pencils and I give you all 15, how many do I have left? 0. Not a single one do I have left. 0. Okay, now we need to know what 35 minus 15 is. Might have to put your thinking caps on for this one. Anybody know 35 minus 15? Answer? What's 5 minus 5? 0. 0. And if we have 3 and we take 1 away, how many do we have? Yep. So what is our answer? 20. 35 minus 15 is 20. Let's see if Miss Robin can plug it in without it going haywire. Yes, very good. All right, so A, still A. What do we have here? 0, nothing. A equals, what does A equal? 20. All right, so now we actually have a value for A. So now where we see A, we can put in what number?
What number can we put in?
We have a number now for A. What is A? A
20.
Very good. A equals 20. Very good. Plus B, what did we say B is?
15. Good job. Was it?
Is it?
Yeah. Right? Is it? Huh? Is it?
15.
15?
Yeah.
All right. Equals C. What's C?
35.
35.
35.
Very good. Miss Robin. Guys, I have to put this in just right. I have to hit it just in the right order. Okay. All right. We got to see if it's going to be true. We want it to balance out. We want it to be the same on both sides of this equal sign. If this is 35, then we're hoping that this is 35. We're going to find out what's 20 plus 15.
35.
20 plus 15. You got one answer. Let's see if we can get some participation in here. Thank you so much from home. I see it. Very good.
All right, guys. Where we at first? Nope, 10 plus 5. Hey. 35. Yeah, but we gotta add.
Very good. We're working it out step by step here, guys. Very good. 35. So we're agreeing with you at home. 20 plus 15 is 35. Yes. And we already know that C is 35. Very good. So is this equation true? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it is true. All right. So if A equals what? What does A equal? Are you paying attention? A, very good. A equals 20. Very good. So if A is 20, let's see, make sure I click here. A is 20, then that means Mary Beth did how many arm circles? 20. Very good. That was a lot, guys. Thank you for hanging in there with me. This one you can try on your own and plug it in and we'll see. It's a very problem that we did. This is just a matter of checking your work. And here they're just taking us all the way down, but I'll let you do that on your own. I thank you guys for hanging in there today. That was a lot to do. You guys stuck with it, so I certainly appreciate your participation, and I'm hoping that you will have a wonderful weekend and look forward to seeing you either face-to-face or virtually next week. All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.